Every single week. When you're gonna sell your car? 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 Now I'm going to sell the car. And since so many of you are interested in buying the car, I'm gonna put the car on auction. And the following video will be the hardest video to make this year. And that's simply and purely because of the emotional bond that we have created with this car over the past 12 months. And because of this car, we are in this beautiful unit. Because of this car, I had to teach myself how to rebuild engines. And throughout the journey, we have fallen in love with making YouTube videos. And while I'm grateful for this car, I want to make more videos for you guys. And the only way is to have another project. Now, some of you followed us from the beginning when we bought this car from auction, but if you haven't, we made a 2-hour video on the second channel summarizing the full rebuild. So when it comes to selling the car, I could sell it privately, but instead I want to sell it to one of you guys. Therefore, the auction idea. So the idea is the car will be placed on auction, eBay auction, and the link will be in the description below, hoping that one of you guys can win the car. And yes, the car is very beautiful. And yes, it has a brand new engine with so many brand new parts around it. And as a bonus, for the winning bidder, you can come and collect the car from here. And what we will do is an oil service. I'll teach you how to do an oil service so you can do it on your driveway as easy as, well, we show it on the videos. And as a side note, the car does not come with warranty. So be careful how you spend your money. Budget for repairs 100%. And if I sound very much in a rush, for 2 reasons. One, I need to prepare the car for the winner. And the second reason, behind you, quite literally just behind you, is the next project waiting for us for 2026. The first video of 2026 will be the brand new project. If you come and pick up the car, maybe you'll be able to see the new project. And with that in mind, guys, I need to go out and start working very, very hard this holiday. While you're all sat at home with your family and friends, we're gonna lock ourselves in this garage and start working really hard. The link in the description if you wanna go and see the auction. Well, if you're just nosy, basically. The eBay link is in the description. I thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best of holidays, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.